Greetings, and welcome back to this channel where every day there's a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. Yeah. Now, we're doing a series on the teachings of Jesus throughout the New Testament. So, if you want to hear God talk to you in the Jamaican language, and you want more people to hear him too in the Jamaican language, where we normally call Patwa, do me a favor now, just click the like button, leave a comment, share this video with as many people as you can. And then, if you're not subscribed yet, do it now, no? Click the subscribe button and the notification bell too, to make sure so you no miss none of what I go on right here. So 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as according to Matthew chapter 25 from verse 31 to verse 46. When the man where God pick come with the power where him have, cause him a king, and all of the angel them come with him a go sit down upon him top throne. Everybody upon earth a go come together in front of him. And him a go split up the people them like how somebody will take care of sheep, move the sheep them from which part the goat them there. Him a go put the sheep them on him right hand side and the goat them on him left. Then the king a go say to the one them on him right hand side, say, all I wanna when my father bless, come take God kingdom. A funo own. God did fix it up funo from him and make the world. Cause me did hungry and uno give me food. My throat did dry and uno give me something for drink. Uno nay know me and uno take me in same way. Me nay have no clothes and uno give me clothes for put on. Me did sick and uno take care of me. Me did day in a prison and uno come look for me. Then the people them will do right in a God eye, I go answer back say, Lord, when we did see you hungry and feed you, or when for your throat went dry and we give you something for drink, and when we see you, no know you, and we take you in our house, and when we went see you sick, sir, or when you did in a prison, and we did come look for you. And the king will answer back. Me tell you this, and I chew me attack. The time them when you went do them sitting there, for one of my brother and sister them where people say no nothing, I like say me, uno did do it for. Then the king I go say to all who depend him left hand side, say, go away from side of me, go and go burn up in a fire where blaze for ever and ever. It God did fix up for the devil and the angel them. But he must send uno go there too. Cause me did hungry and uno name give me nothing for nyam. When my throat went dry, uno name give me nothing for drink. Uno name know me and uno name take me in when me did come amongst uno. Me never have no clothes and uno name give me none for put on. Me when sick, me did the in a prison and uno name come look for me. Then them two I go say, Lord, and when we did see you, and you were hungry, or your throat went dry, and when you ne have no clothes, Lord, and when you were sick, or in a prison, and we ne help you, and when that, then him a go answer back. Me tell you no this, and I chew me attack. The same way you name do them sitting there for one of my brother and sister them where people say no nothing. I like me name help when never help them. And them people, them a go which part, then get punished forever. But the one them we do it right in a God eye, God go make them live forever. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.